Welcome! In front of me I have 70MAI Saphir, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smartwatch by using the system settings on it. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called the system. And once you find it, tap on it. And here you should see the option called the reset. And once you find it, tap on it. And then finally tap on confirm to start the resetting process. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. One thing I forgot to mention is that if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies and during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Okay, as you can see, we have the list of languages now on the screen, which means that the factory reset is complete, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.